Good day class. Today we are to take a topic on family. Introduction to family. Family is a fundamental unit of society that typically consists of people related by blood, marriage or adoption. It is a group of individuals who share a common living space, economic resource, emotional bond and a sense of belongingness. A family is responsible for nurturing and taking care of its members, providing them with love, support, guidance, and helping them grow physically, emotionally, and intellectually. Its core, the family plays many vital roles in society, including providing a source of emotional support, a sense of identity, and socialization. Families also provide economic support, guiding the education and career path of their members and passing down traditions and values from one generation to the next. Therefore, family is an essential aspect of human life that shape our identity, our relationships, and our understanding of the world around us. So we have so many a family, a parents has children from previous relationship coming now to combine with the the present partner of this partner with his children together, all of them living together. Childless family consists of two partners who are married or in a long-term relationship but do not have any children. Kids, do you understand? Okay, let's forge ahead. Foster family. Foster family is a family structure where children are placed with licensed caregivers who are not their biological parents for a temporary period of time, for a temporary period of time. Then the last one is same-sex family. A same-sex family is a family structure where the parents are of the same sex and they may have biological or adopted kids. Example, where father and father married and have kids or adopt kids, or where mother and mother married, have kids or adopt kids. The next topic is on rules and responsibilities of the family members. So let's go over to it. Family rules and responsibility vary depending on cultural, social, and economical otherwise. However, some common rules and responsibility include parents. Parents are responsible for providing a safe and nurturing environment for their children. They are expected to provide emotional, physical, and financial support for their children. Emotional support, giving advice, telling you, praying for you, giving you advice, and giving you life tips on how to grow responsible. Physically, taking care of you, making sure that you didn't get hurt or harm from any danger. Financial support, providing you with school fees, clothes, food, shelter is the work of our parents. Then coming to the children, children are expected to obey their parents, grow and learn to become responsible adults who contribute to the family and society. Children learn how to respect their parents. They have to eat and grow. They have to learn. You learn from your parents so that when you grow up, you become responsible adults to to contribute to the society and family at large. Grandparents play an important role in many cultures by helping to raise their grandchildren, providing support and passing on cultural tradition. Yes, grandparents plays vital role in taking care of the family, especially the children. It will help the parents to nurture or create more room for culture and traditional norms. The grandparents will tell you ancient stories of what happened even when before your parents was born. So they will tell you what happened, how it happened, what happened in culture, how culture came into existence, or how tradition came into existence. So it's the work of the grandparents to tell us all these stories, and we learn from it. So they plays a vital role. Siblings often share a close bond and may be responsible for helping each other with housework, chores, or providing emotional support. Our siblings, our brothers and our sisters, they help you do your assignment. The one you don't understand, they'll help you solve it for you. They'll help you in washing and cleaning and taking care of the house. They also provide support from some outside and not hurting or harming you. So that's the work of siblings. Siblings guide each other. Your brother and your sisters, they protect you from harm, from any external body trying to hurt you. So the last one is extended family. Extended family members may be responsible for providing care for elderly family members or helping out in time of need. Yes, where the auntie or uncle will see grandparents trying to do something, he or she will come and help so that grandparents as an elder will be resting and the auntie or the uncle or the cousin will do the work so that the family will move forward. Kids, hope you understand. Okay. In addition to these rules, family responsibility can include maintaining a household, cooking, cleaning, caring for pets, paying bills, and supporting each other during difficult times. It is important for the family members to communicate and collaborate to ensure that everyone's needs are met and the responsibility are shared equally. So that's it. It's almost the same thing we said earlier on. Okay, the next topic is family challenge and the support system. Family challenge is a situation that affects the members of the family in a negative way and requires some form of action or change to be resolved. This can include financial problems, relationship issues, health problems, substance abuse, and many others. While a support system, on the other hand, refers to a network of people that an individual can rely on for help, guidance, and emotional support. These can include family members, friends, neighbors, colleagues, and members of various support groups. When a family is facing a challenge, having a strong support system can make a significant difference in the outcome. Family members can support each other by sharing responsibility, providing encouragement, and offering emotional support. Seeking help from external sources like group, support group, healthcare professionals, or financial advisors can also be beneficial. Effective communication is crucial in addressing family challenge and building a strong support system. Family members need to be able to express their feelings and needs and actively listen to each other in order to find solution and work towards a positive outcome. Okay, class, this is the end of our topic. Thank you for listening. Bye.